I'll show you how to make app icons black and white on your iPhone. All you have to need, long press on an empty space on your iPhone home page, tap on edit, tap on customize, and here you have to select tint. If you select dark, your app icon will not be black and white. So you have to select here tint, and then here you find two different slider. So you have to use the second slider and you have to put the second slider all the way to the right side, just like this. And this top slider, you have to move it until you see the dark icon. And now to make your icon completely black and white, you have to create a new wallpaper using a black color wallpaper. So let's go to our settings and let's go to wallpaper, tapping on add new wallpaper, selecting photos, and from my gallery I'm selecting a dark wallpaper, tapping on add, set as wallpaper pair, and going back to home screen. And here we can see now I have completely black and white app icon. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.